not suitable for children. If you're a child right now, stop. Now, if you've been watching expecting a horror game, you might be a little bit confused if you've never heard of this game before. All will be explained in due time. Just, you don't need worry your pretty little head about a thing. Just stick around for the ride. All your questions will be answered in time. But for now, we go.
Once upon a time, where life was simple, trees fell
There's
left
full
and
voice
right,
acting?
and the bridge's boards fell loose constantly within Seabill's presence, lived Chipper and his son, Tyke.
Uh-huh.
Chipper was proud of his wood-chopping offspring with the success of his company, Chipper and Sons Lumber Co. After the father tree was demolished by Tyke, the beavers lived in harmony in their happy cabin.
Did they?
Along with that, Tyke had success on his last date with a fellow beaver named Lisa.
Lisa?
So much success that they had started their own family after a year of bonding. Time seemed to go by fast as the beavers chopped and built.
Sure.
Tyke and Lisa eventually brought their own beaver into the world, Mike. With this addition to the beaver family, Chipper was happy to have a new addition to the company soon enough.
Chipper, Tyke, and Mike, son.
One day Chipper had gone missing. The remaining beavers quickly scrambled along the acres of land to find their missing beaver member and founder.
Chipper?
After a few hours of searching, they had come to the conclusion that Chipper was gone.
After a few
The family
hours.
still had hope and did not plan to presume him as dead. Tyke, being the fatherly figure his father once was, took the company into his arms and rebranded the company as Tyke and Sons Lumber Co. The story now goes on in the hands of Tyke and Mike to redefine the business under the brightest light.
Wow. Well, little Mike, the day has come. No, not the beginning of summer or your coming of age, but me throwing you out on your furry ear. That's what my father said to me when I was your age. Your grandpa Chipper was a great beaver. You can be proud to be his grandson. It's pretty sad that you were never able to talk to him. He disappeared when you were really young. No one knows where he went. Really weird if you ask me. Anyway, I'll give you full control over our little lumber company, and I want you to be a great successor. It was been your day building robots and grabbing even more things from the lumber you will be gathering. Thus, you'll soon be let free from this prison called home. It's time for you to explore the world. I'm going to be watching you from a safe distance. I am a professional. And you can come right after me if you work hard enough. But remember, no one ever beats good old Chipper. He truly was the best. Okay, I feel like you're setting an unrealistic standard. Now get lost. This is your time to shine. We will start as soon as this text box disappears. It feels like you're setting me to a very unrealistic standards. Actually, before we go, take this walkie-talkie. That way we can stay in contact even if you are far away, as if that would ever happen. But for real, you should explore a little company first before I let you off in the dangerous world. I'm counting on you, Beaver Boy. I promise to make me a proud dad, will ya? I won't. Anyway, your first task, we plant some trees right next to the house. There isn't much space, so don't build useless things that we don't need, okay? If you want to re-listen to what I just said, press the walkie-talkie button. You'll see very soon. Good luck, son. See you later. Wow. Okay. Wow. Ooh. Oh. How big can I make this tree? It's still going. You see that? How big can I make this tree? Hold up. Oh, it looks like it's at its maximum. Maximum out of the wood. C. Ah! Okay, you don't have enough wood to make lumber. Oh, I see. Ah. Oh, look at that. Okay. Do I have enough? Yes, I... Oh, I don't. Hold up. Yeah. Aha. Okay. Oh. Hold up. Can I just... Oh, can I kill these guys? Ooh, a funny fungus, huh? I got lumber, a fruit bowl. Please don't leave. Robotic wires? Rich wood. Old saw. I hate the way this guy looks. Alright, do a supercut of like all the trees I make really big. Can I erase a tree? Yes, I can. Okay. Okay. Oh, I need lumber. I need to make lumber. Okay. What a rough day. Do you want to go to bed? Yeah, Pops. All right, let me open the cabin for you. Since you're so hardworking now, we can switch places. Take your toys to the room upstairs. I'll take the... Oh, I'm not doing this. Good night, son. Oops, I forgot to do the voice. It's fine. And so it begins. Oh, okay. Oh. 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 Okay. Let's go. Oh, crap. I'm just gonna wait and listen. What is happening? Again? Okay. I don't know why I keep going to the right. So far, literally the only time they've appeared is the left. I don't like how creaky those stairs are. This is uncomfy. I don't like this. I especially don't like the sounds of, like, nature for some reason. That's, like, really freaking me out. Are there, like, no window panes? Is this just empty? Is it just, like, exposed to the elements? Oh! Look at that. First try. Just gonna check this side. Just in case. Okay. Nope. This is easy. It's a cakewalk. A cakewalk. A cakewalk. It's so easy. I mean, like, I could probably do this with my eyes closed. I mean, yeah, I have my eyes closed there so you see it. Okay, that's enough of that. That's enough of that. Oh, that's stressful. Guessing the wrong side. My sleep assurance is full. That thing up there. Does that mean I'm good? Press B to go to bed. Gosh, I just like knock right out, huh? Early bird catches the worm, do they? Good morning. Are you ready for round 2? Are you ready for round 2? As I promised you yesterday, you can go to the island now. I've opened up the gates for you. Don't worry, I won't lay you off without a very important task, that's for sure. This is more than average to maintain you how to walk on new leg and pretty unusual for beavers. Your mother running coffee shop in town nearby. I need a mix of gato to go real quick. Here's a pro tip. You can find hidden coins if you clear on certain objects around you. Oh, and about the trees, plant many as you can. Water is the only thing that makes them grow. No, patience is the key to success. That's all I want to say. And don't forget the Mexicato. Okay. Oh. Why aren't we using this unholy, ginormous pile of lumber? Yeah, those have been growing. I'm just gonna let those guys fester. Cocoa nuts? Heck yeah. Oh, it's even more of a discount. 40% off everything. My goodness. Visitors. I'm not gonna do a robot voice. Powler is glad to have visitors. Powler is very lonely. Huh? A beaver. Oh no. Are you here to destroy Powler's beautiful flowers? Don't lie to me. I know a plant killer when I see one. I am going to avenge all the trees you have chopped down before. This will be your end game. What is happening? What? What? It's just when a boss fight's gonna be a thing. What? Let me water ya. Let me drizzle on ya. Away he goes, I guess. Oh my god. Dang, that was right quick. And you're about to die. Rule of thirds, baby. Down he goes. That's what you get for being an enemy. Just murdered this plant-loving freaking robot. He deserved it, though. He tried to kill me. And no one kills Bucky Beaver and bucks the beavers. Pay 200 coins, get 1 pearl. Axe. Have I, like... So, he said, like, now's the time to leave the prison that is your home. Have I never left? Is this my literal first... Oh. Hey, girl, what are you doing? Hello, I'm eating this loaf of bread. I baked it. Ah, okay, nice. Well, have fun in doing so. Thanks, you too, with whatever you're doing. Oh, oh. Oh! Chad, thanks. Oh, boy, she totally likes me. Ah! I'm awesome. I'm still awesome. Hello? Hello there. I'm not going to do a woman's voice. Hello there. I'm not going to do... no. Hello there, Mike. I've noticed your father's sweet little lumber company has been going not so well. Well, not to say our family isn't successful. There are loads of customers throwing themselves in left and right for my delicious coffee and treats. Okay. Say, I am feeling extra nice today as sales have been oh so high. Let's make a deal for a free coffee to go. If you beat this minigame, I'll hand over a free coffee to go. Sound good? Give it a try? Why not? Control the robo waitress with A and... okay. Class size drinks comes regular for a seeker. I don't know anything about food, so this is for all the people out there who don't know anything about food. Me. Snacks. Exotic butters. Drinks. Drinks. Okay. Oh, weird. Okay, so he wants food. Caught. Ah, dang. What is that sound? What are the sound? Oh, wait, wrong one. The sounds are so strange. I'm awesome at this. Oh, wait, no, wait, no. I'm awesome, and I will continue to be awesome forever. Oh, yeah. I didn't like that sound you just made. A coffee to go. Alright, back we go, I guess. First try. Look at me being awesome and stuff. Rotten fungus. I don't know if this I feel like obsessively compelled. I feel like obsessively compelled to kill these guys. Like I probably can I just walk right past them? Do they hurt me? Nah, they don't do nothing. I need to kill them. The sounds are awesome. I love the sounds. Get a little bit of lumber. I ordered a Mixio, not really coffee. We need to listen to those. Yeah, how can any question get satisfied? But it not work. So I've never tried one of these. Let's see how it tastes. Do you like it or not? I would say it was alright. I expected more of you, though. I didn't make it. But let's not talk about this incident anymore. You have important work to do. Son, we actually have a customer. A strange bird who loves rocks. He wants to build a rock farm. This is important for our reputation. For real, if you fail this, I will ground you forever. I would help, but I'm way too busy claiming over the simple things in life, like weird taste in coffee. Now go and make me a proud beaver. A rock farm? What do I need for a rock farm? Plans. Frog shed. Red lumber. Flower pot. Mini rock. Good rock. How does one get mini rock? How does one get a flower pot? Item shop. I don't like the look. What is he? What is you? Diamond coins. Oh. How do I get more coins? How do I? I don't want to go this way. Oh, it's right here. Do it. Oh. Oh. So I need to make more. I'm just gonna convert it all into lumber. All my lumber is now gone, but hey, it's worth it. Alright, shut up. Kill yourself. Alright, supercut to me being back. And we're back. Oh, did I? Come on, little guy. Just walk into the flames. Yeah, what? Oh, wrong wing. Yeah! Oh yes, an old family friend wants to know you better. He's invited you to his place, the birdhouse. Ah, this is taking so long. Cut to me being there. Alright, we're here. Oh. So if I talk to you, Mike, your father has always kept you safe in the cabin. So let me get this straight. My father, Tyke, has held me in my house for years. My whole entire life, I've been kept in that cabin. I only met what would a bird sound like? I only met you once when you were a fetus, maybe a little louder than that. I'm sure you'll meet many nice people now that you can explore freely. Yeah, your father has always had an obsession with safety, thinking the world is dangerous and whatnot. But trust me, funny things happened to him too, back when I was a young lad traveling the sea. I retired from that years ago. I had a company now called Seabell Industries. We build robots and ship them all over the world. You could say that in some ways, sea traveling is still involved. Here's one tip from me if you want to start your own company. Don't do it, make anything people are not asking for. You will only get in trouble. A few years ago, I designed a special robot all by myself with the intention of making my closest friends happy. I designed them to reflect their personality and look, but it only got me into trouble. I'm not getting into detail here, but don't want to set a brand. Just a pro tip from an artist to a future artist. You seem like someone who would take note of that. You seem more attentive than Tyke. I'm glad that I had the chance to meet you today. Hopefully, we could work this out into a good friendship. If you don't mind, I actually have a task for you. You beavers like working, right? My crab pals at the beach need time to build and decorate their home. They ask me, but I'm really busy. Cough. I'm really busy all the time. This is your opportunity to show me how skilled you are. There may even be a bit of multitasking required. Can you help them? That would be really neat of you, of course. Finish your pie first. No one should ever work when they're hungry. I show up and you just immediately put me to work? Help the crabs. Okay. Oh my god. Oh. Heck yeah. I'm just chilling inside. I see people losing money here quite often. You might find some of it in the sand. I'm awesome. Look, a palm tree over there would make a big difference. Okay. Build our cocktail bar, so we're simply missing any materials. I need bamboo, I need palm branches, I need fruit bowl, and I need water bottle. Oh! Oh, we're going. Oh, it's a good thing I'm awesome. Heck yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, that doesn't do anything for me. And that's done forever now, I guess. How do I get the... Okay, so what I need right now... I need palm branches. I need 6 good rocks and 2 spidars. So... That's like asking to have a coin in it. Oh! Palm branches! Palm branches? Coconuts? Palm branches. Palm branches. Oh, best to get something. That was quick. Alright, so what I need... A rock farm, how extraordinary, fascinating, yet and they grow up so fast. Okay. Five bamboo, 2 palm branches, 1, I need another water bottle, and I need a bunch of bamboo and palm branches, okay. Okay. I better kill those, like, dirt clump guys. Heck yeah. Hi. I've decided to cut out the 2 hours of me looking for that God-forsaken water bottle. You're just gonna cut to the end. I just needed to make you aware of how long I spent searching for that God-forsaken, forgotten pain in my absolutely large tuchus finding that water bottle was. Enjoy. Oh my God! There it is! Oh, Jesus Christ. I want to be done. Oh. Thank you for your help. Thank you. You know, we could have made it without you if we still had our robot. Yes, if we had that robot. Those were question marks. I am confused right now. You weren't there when it happened, but that's weird that no one told you about it. Yes, that's weird. A few years back, the robot industry was booming. Okay. Almost everyone got a machine to perform tasks. Uh-huh. Bill actually found the time to create a few robots all by himself. He gave them to some of his closest friends in the friend zone, which we were a part of. Uh-huh. Orbit was called Summer Crab. She was designed to find treasure, build houses, and act as a companion. It timed and saw as if she was alive, not like a robot at all. But we've gotten complaints. Some told us the Summer Crab was seen sneaking out and visiting other inhabitants' places. Cool. Even Chipper called us out one day. He thought that the Summer Crab was hostile. After Chipper disappeared, people assumed that she was responsible. We had to destroy her. We went up with her the highest cliff saying that we needed some ice for our cocktails. Oh my god. We gave her a little push and that was it. Moral of the story is that you can make cocktails even without the ice. How is that the moral of this story? True. Some people claim to have sighted her during last spring. That's why they started calling her Spring Crab. Anyway, thanks for your help again. We will tell Sibo what great of a job you did. That's a weird way to phrase it. What great of a job you did. I feel like I should have raised you. What's that mean? Work is going to ruin the whole thing for me. He will expose me. I can't let that happen. I have to get rid of him. Don't be too much of a problem, though. I've done similar things before, and I will continue to take care of those who find out more than they need to know. I'm a mastermind. I can't fail. I get what I want, or my name isn't Erg. Did I just have a stroke? I actually forgot my name. But anyway, I'm gonna get you, Mike. I'm always ahead of you, you little brat. That's me, actually. Having me known the creator of the game, that is canonically me, that laughed like that. I'm a little rusty. Sibo went by. He seemed very happy about you visiting him today. He said you two already built a good connection like a nephew and his uncle. And let me tell you, he is a rich uncle. If he ever tests with something, we should definitely put that before anything. Who knows how much money we will make if we have him as a regular customer. Changing the topic, you will make a brand new Chip Mat 2.0 today. How's that sound? Fine. Gather all the items you need. If you can't find any, see if you can buy them at the item shop. This is the last thing you do for today. I'm counting on you. I have everything I need to make. Oh, I don't have enough lumber, but I can just. Oh, come on. There you go. And there you go. Cool. Do you want to go to bed? Yeah. Let me open the cabin then. Tomorrow's another day where I hope nothing unexpected happens. Good night. And here we go. Down the dragon's tongue, as they say. Oh boy. Here we go. Ooh, I don't like the sounds. Here we go. Oh! What? Oh my god. That really got me. To sleep I go. Wake up! The early bird catches El Wormo. Good morning. What a beautiful day it is yet again. See, Bill is our first customer. He wants to build two things, a broken ship and a wooden bird. He will surely give you some in return, so don't keep him waiting. It might be money. Now go off into the world and little flying toad. Good morning. Good morning. Are you Tyke Chop? That's me. You are under arrest for sleep disturbance and theft. What? Why me? Your killer machines have been seen last night wandering around the city and breaking into houses. They were taking some precious jewelry with them. This can't be. I gave all the plants to my son right here. Maybe he's sabotaged him. Since he is a minor, you would still be responsible. Since when are we talking about age? What animals? Gosh. You can't dog yourself out. Your chip-chopping robots are a danger to the inhabitants and will no longer be permitted. What if I prove to do that it wasn't me? I can do that. Just give me a bit of time. Please don't make this difficult. Get in the police car now. What police car? You flew in. What's a car? Move now or I will take out the taser. Mike, do something. Don't drag your son into this. What is this? You really bit those machines and you didn't see any problems in the plans? Humph. Fine. You get time until tomorrow to prove your innocence. If you can't do it, this company is going to get shut down and every robot is getting destroyed. Remember, tomorrow, that's one day, not a day longer. And that, son, is how you avoid the cops. But something isn't right. I really don't recall doing something illegal this time. We need to get the bond. You need to get the bond on this because I'm old. But since I really need some money, go grant C-Bill's wishes. Okay, you're gonna have to wait for that because we are done. This is done. I had a lot of recording problems today. Tyke and Sons will return after these short messages.